You guys should see how much better people are doing with this aggressive risk management style that is used on small accounts. If you have under $1,000 or under $2,000 in a trading account, this is the strategy that I want you to focus on. Let's start off with our TrendCloud process. We're going to go to the 4-hour chart, and we're going to look directly at that momentum filter, and I have it blown up here so that you can see. Look at how we have that below the zero line and it is red, okay? Everything in TrendCloud is color coordinated for you. Now, if we scroll back a little bit, look at what we've got here. Your momentum filter is a leading indicator, okay? This is going to show you that market sentiment is about to change. Look at how we keep going up in the trend on that 4-hour chart, but yet we keep getting these bearish divergence signals, okay? So price goes up, momentum keeps pushing down, and that is shown by a line here, and it will say bear. So as you're going up, you have to get ready. When is that going to take place? So that is a red flag and a leading indicator getting you ready for this right here. You can see that black plus sign. There's the TrendCloud crossover. There are your transition candles to the downside, okay? So number one, if we are looking at this trade right from this point in time, we can see momentum filter is down. Okay, go to step 2. Middle time frame, 1-hour chart, we are looking for a downtrend. The trend has to match the momentum filter. So here's the black plus sign, there's the crossover from up to down. There's your yellow transition candles there as well. The trend is down. CCI, that's the next step, step 3. CCI is below negative 100, okay? So now we've got CCI below negative 100. We have a downtrend on the 1-hour chart. We have a downward momentum on the high time frame, okay? You can see that we have not crossed over yet, but we don't really need to have the trend also in our direction to take the trade. We just need the momentum filter to be red. Now, is it better if we're looking like this? Yes, it is. It's much better if we have that. So right there is what we're looking at right now. So right here we can see on that 15-minute chart that we've got a break of structure right here. Let's just draw a line. Okay, and then we're going to draw a supply zone. So you have a couple of choices here. You can take this as a supply zone, or you can take the TrendCloud signal itself. Okay, so let's see how this turned out. We move forward again. It never comes back, okay? It never comes back to this supply zone. We get another TrendCloud signal, and let's see, can we take that trade? We sure can. We're still down on the momentum. CCI is down, trend is down on the 1-hour chart. There's your TrendCloud signal, yes. And it looks like we can buy it right at that line that we drew. So I'm just going to draw a stop loss there, okay? And we'll make that red. Okay, so there you go. There's your stop loss. And right about here is your entry point. We'll make that blue, just because. All right. So let's see what happens. We enter the trade, looks like right here on this candle. Then we get a little close below, but this candle right here shows a really nice close below that entry point, okay? And so what I want you to do is take your stop loss as soon as you get that close below, and I want you to do this. You put it like 1 tick below your entry. And what happens here, we do end up getting stopped out, but this is an aggressive risk management system that I want you to follow. And what happens here, you actually make money on this type of a system, right? You put it right there, you make like, I don't know, $5 or something. Then it pulls back, and we've got this signal right here and right here. Can we take this signal? Well, let's check it out. Momentum filter is down. CCI is below negative 100. We pulled back into the blue shaded area without breaking above positive 100. So yes, we can take this trade. We are still down on the 1 hour chart, and we've got a bunch of TrendCloud signals, okay? Here's your stop loss right there. Here's your entry point right about there. We get into the trade and it's off to the races. Okay, so if this is your entry and this is your stop loss, let's remove TrendCloud for a second so you can see what we're looking at here. Do you see how the candle that closes below your entry, it closes below, but it's really not breaking any structure here to the left? Let's just slide that down. See how this candle you get into the trade here, but this is the candle that breaks structure? That's what I want you to look for. And then simply take your stop and play it super defensively, okay? And there you go, it's off to the races. You can be taking targets here, or what I like to do is wait for TrendCloud to reverse, okay? So you can take that, let's keep our stop loss, follow this down, follow it down, follow it down, okay? And right there, candles are still red. We start getting transition candles here. I would take that, put it right there, and looks like you get stopped out right there, okay? So that's how you follow the trend with an aggressive risk management system. So as soon as you get into the trade, guys, if you're on a small account, as soon as you get into the trade, wait for that strong break below structure or a strong break below your entry, and then simply move that stop loss a few ticks below your entry point and play it super defensively. That's it for now. I will see you in the next video.